At the top of your YouTube channel, there's a little tab there called Community, and there you can post photos, you can post polls, you can post videos and status updates to keep your audience engaged outside of your normal regular video posting schedule. Those posts show up right on the homepage of both mobile and on desktop, which is prime real estate for staying in front of your audience. But if you have used your Community tab before and haven't really seen too many results with it, today I want to fix that for you by showing you the 5 things that your audience actually wants to see there and the best practices we found with our own channel as well as the hundreds of clients that we work with that gets the best results and the most success and the most engagement using that Community tab. Is a powerful tool, and today I want to show you how to use it. Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer. Welcome here to Video Creators, where we are all about helping you grow a successful online business around your YouTube audience so you can reach more people, change their lives, starting with your own life. And the Community tab is an amazing way to reach more people, but most creators don't use it well. Tip number 1 today is use it to promote older videos. Now, don't just do what most people do, although you can use it, which is just to use the little video button icon there and select one of the videos on your channel, post that there, some text, and voila, you've promoted one of your videos. We have found that that doesn't really get much engagement. Instead, you should take one of the most visually engaging sections of that video and turn it into an animated GIF, and then post that GIF as a photo, and then in the description text that you post with that image, include a link to the video. That tends to get much better traction because as people are scrolling through their home feeds, the animated GIF is already moving and it attracts their eye. It'll be a thumb-stopping thumbnail. They'll be scrolling through, they'll stop, they'll look at it, be like, what is that? I need to learn more. And then they'll be more likely to tap through in that link in your description and go watch the video. The second thing to do with your Community tab is to tease upcoming videos. And again, this could be just a normal text like, hey guys, I'm working on a new video for you, yay. But instead, consider taking a little bit of a little snippet from that video, turning it into an animated GIF, and post that animated GIF to your Community tab, teasing what's to come, what you're working on, and building some hype for that video for when it finally publishes and people see that in their feed and they're like, oh, I remember that video. I saw a preview for that 2 days ago. They get more excited. They're more likely to click into that video and actually watch it. Tip number 3 is ask questions. We have found that if you just make a statement, it's really easy for people just to scroll right past. But if you're asking for ideas, for feedback, for opinions, for perspectives, or whatever on something, it tends to get a lot more engagement. We've also found it helps if you take that question and make it some sort of photo, typically like a square that tends to show up best on the home feed, something that just takes up a little bit more screen real estate and catches their attention as they're scrolling through their home feed. Number 4, we have found that using YouTube's polling option in your Community tab actually is very effective as well. I think because again, it takes up a little bit more screen real estate and it looks different from everything else that's cluttering their home feed, and they can quickly and easily engage in only like a second or 2. They just read the question, pick the option that they want to vote on, and boom, they can vote and kind of be on their way. So if you're looking for some quick feedback on a couple different ideas, or you just want to learn more about your audience, this can be a great way to quickly engage them and keep your brand in front of your target audience. Now, if you hear all this and you're like, this just sounds like a lot of extra work, it's another platform I have to stay on top of, let me make it easy for you with tip number 5. And that is simply just take almost anything you're publishing on your Instagram account that might also be relevant for your YouTube audience, just post that there too. Take that photo and republish it straight from your phone using the YouTube app and just copy and paste the same text and everything. Similarly to how it works on Instagram, we have found that if the caption of the photo teases a story or is extremely enticing, people will usually stop, read more, and keep going and reading the rest of that post. If it's a really good story that your audience can relate to, that will perform amazingly well on your Community tab. Basically, whenever you know, here's who my audience is, here's the value they want to consume from me, and here's how I can deliver that value, you can do that through videos on your channel, but the same principle works with the photos, the polls, and everything else you're posting on your Community tab for those people as well. So post good photos, but also tell really good stories and paying careful attention to the first couple lines of that story, because that's what's going to get them to click and keep reading the rest and then engage. One little advanced tip for you is that YouTube's Community tab does have a scheduling feature queue up those posts to publish at any point in the future. So if you got like a chunk of time on Monday afternoons, you can sit down and queue them all up for maybe the next month or so if you'd like. That'll just run on autopilot by itself, and you don't have to constantly stay on top of publishing to your community feed the way maybe you feel like you have to do on other platforms. These tips will help you be successful by staying in front of your existing audience, but if you want to expand the audience that can potentially see these posts and grow your channel, put together a quick short playlist for you, which you can click right there, that's going to go into all the secret strategies that we've seen behind the channels that are just growing fast, the channels that are exploding and just growing with a crazy amount of momentum. There's some things that all of them are doing consistently well, and we reveal that in those quick little videos over there. So click on that playlist, and I'll see you over in that next video.